Microsoft Forms is part of the Office 365 package, and it's a great platform for creating surveys, quizzes and polls. From the home screen, you can see all of your different forms, as well as the number of responses, the creator and the title of each form. From here, you can also search for different forms or see all of them in the All My Forms tab. To create a new form, simply click the New Form tab, or use the drop-down list to create a quiz which will allow you to mark your respondents' answers. When you're ready to create, simply give your form a title, and you can also add a description to provide context for your respondents. As you can see from the top bar, the form is constantly saving, so you don't have to worry about losing any updated progress. When you're happy with your title and description, you can use the Insert Image button to add an image or a logo, allowing the form to suit your brand or purpose better. Once you're happy with the title and description, simply click Add New to start creating questions. You'll be presented with a list of different preset formats, which allow you to quickly and easily construct your form depending on the type of questions you need to ask. When you're happy with your question, you can use the toggle functions at the bottom to edit how respondents are able to answer. These can easily be turned on and off at the bottom of the question. When creating questions with different options, you can set your options by typing into each of the boxes. If you need more, simply click Add Option. Or if you'd like respondents to be able to provide their own answer, click Add Other Option. Respondents are then able to click this section and type in their own answer to the question. Again, you can use the toggle features at the bottom of the question to change how respondents are able to answer. Preset functions like the date function ensure that the data you receive is accurate by setting it in strict parameters. This can be particularly useful when gathering data that you'll add to things such as your CRM database. The rating function is particularly useful when you want to gather quick and simple information about people's opinions of an experience, exhibition or event. Within the rating function, you can edit the levels or the symbol. For this one, we'll go for 7. To edit, I simply click on the drop-down list and select the number that I would like to use. I can do the same thing in the symbol section, either choosing numbers or stars, depending on the type of form that you'd like to create. When you're finished with your questions, you can scroll back through and make any additional edits. But don't worry, you can edit this form at any point you would like, even after you send it out to respondents. When you're happy with the form, simply click Preview. This function allows you to see the form as your respondents will see it. You can also see how respondents using a mobile or tablet device will view the form. This is particularly helpful when it comes to formatting questions, length, and the style of the form. When you're happy with the format and questions, go back to the main panel and click on Theme. From here, you can edit the background, the colours and the general theme of your form. There's lots of preset functions you can use, but you can also use the Add button to customise your theme by using logos and images. When you've chosen a theme, you can go back to the Preview tab to see how it will integrate with your form. Within your form, you can access your Responses tab. Here you will be able to see the number of responses, average time to complete, and the status of your form. You can also download the information into Excel, delete all of the responses, or create a print or link summary from this page. When you're ready to share your form, simply click the Share button. From here, you can format who can see and respond to the form. A key function of forms, which is particularly helpful, is the QR code link creation. From here, you can create a QR code that can be used on print media within your organisation or your social media comms, allowing people to use their phone to scan and access your survey immediately. You can also get embedded links or directly share your form via email. Here you can also share your form as a template with people in your team, or share a collaboration link which allows other members of your team to view and edit the form itself. When you have shared the form, respondents will be able to use the link to open it within their browser. From here, they can access the form and provide their answers. This is what the form looks like from a respondent's perspective. Notice the asterisk which marks the question as required. This means that I would not be able to complete the form without providing some sort of answer to that question. When your respondent submits their form, it will immediately update in the back end at your Microsoft Forms homepage. To view the responses, go to your homepage and click on the form. From here, you will be taken back to your Creator tab. Just click on the response bar to see what your respondents have said. This tab gives you a great overview of your responses so far. From here, you can download the data directly into an Excel spreadsheet. This is particularly useful for reporting or updating your CRM systems. You can also create a summary link. This allows you to share it with your team so they can access the responses live. Simply copy and paste and share with your team. In the View Results tab, you can see a more detailed overview of each individual form response. This has been a very brief introduction on how to use forms. For more information, feel free to contact me, or there is a wealth of information available online.